Hello everyone. As we all know, winter is coming. As per Ayurveda, the whole 1 year of period is divided into two kal. One is Adan kal and one is Visarga kal. In Visarga kal, human body gradually becomes strengthened because the season itself provides bala to the body. But in Adan kal, this strength or this bal gradually decreased. Now, the point is the winter is the last season of Visarga Kal. So, our duty is to gain more and more strength to our body. So, what is the solution for that? The ultimate solution is the immunity booster kit. So, let's quickly unbox the immunity booster kit. Here we have immunity booster kit. In immunity booster kit, we got one bottle of Goodilex tablet. The Goodilex tablet, it contains Giloy, Trikatu, Trifla and other ancient Ayurvedic herbs. Other than this, we have one bottle of Madhavprash, which contains the Amlaki or Avla, which is rich in the vitamin C, and the best part of this Madhavprash is it is sugar free. So even a diabetic patient can also consume that. Apart from that, we got one bottle of SMP Churna, that is basically a Pipli Marich and Sunthi Churna, Trikatu Churna. So these three medicine we get in the immunity booster kit. Other than this, we have some coupons. The first is the cardiac risk assessment and the doctor consultation worth of rupees 550, which is absolutely free voucher. In this we get ECG monitoring, blood pressure monitoring, blood sugar monitoring, BMI checkup, SpO2 and doctor consultation, which is absolutely free. And the best part of this immunity booster kit is the 4 whole body Snehan Swedan Panchakarma coupons on a 50% off on every Panchakarma treatment. And the last but not the least, the 3 months of the free membership of MIB Pulse app. In this, we can get diet and exercise schedule, in-depth health condition, live videos of recipes and many more things. So book your immunity